Hey YouTube, it's Fortune, and in this video, as you can see, my hair is all out. It's been 1 month of since my hair care journey began, and I decided let me just give you guys an update as to my new hair care routine in terms of washing and how my hair has been doing since this month. Because school has been really busy, I haven't really made that much hair-related videos just because I have physics and chemistry to end off my last year of high school, and those courses are my most difficult courses. Like, I'm actually suffering really badly. Like, I'm doing my best to just keep my grades and study and just graduate with an A plus average, and I don't want those marks to bring my average down. That'd be very disappointing. So I'm focusing a lot on school right now, and that's on things like this. But anyways, my hair care routine completely changed. I don't use a blow dryer in my hair anymore, just because my hair, I don't want to lose, like, the hydration or whatever in my hair gets lost really quickly when I blow dry it, and the heat is just too much on my hair, and it makes my hair feel really like flaky and coarse, and feels like hay when I'm touching my hair after I blow dry it. So I don't use blow dryer no more. And two, I know in my first video I used a lot of Cantu leave-in conditioner. I don't use that much as I used to do before. And also, it doesn't take me that long to take care, wash and dry and style my hair. I do more easy, low maintenance styles. And seal it in with some oil. As you can see, my sister's behind me. I can't really just kick her out. She's here. And you probably saw her from my last video. You can see even her hair is thread twisted. You can see how long it is, actually. See how long her hair is. Yeah. So let me get my... As I mentioned before, I'm not going to... I can barely talk. I'm not going to blow dry my hair. I like to leave my hair to air dry, and I feel like I just can work with it well when it's nice and damp. And I have a towel around my neck just because the hair will, the water will drip down my neck, and I just want to keep my shirts and my body as dry as possible. So what I'm going to do now is section my hair, and let's get into it. So sectioned off my hair into 4 sections. Obviously I tried 3 because I want to leave one, the area that I'm working with out. And right now I'm just gonna comb through it without any conditioner, just so it's not too, just to keep, put it in an afro. Let's just say put it in an afro. We can with those here. Okay, so now that I have my hair, pretty much combed out, I'm gonna go in with the Cantu leave-in conditioner. Not too much, because my hair is pretty much detangled already. And then just get it in there. Jamaican black castor oil. And I'm just taking this much. Megan, don't you dare open that and use it on your doll. Oh my goodness. And see, water is just dripping down my face. So I just have to have a towel on that. Oh, I forgot to show you how much castor oil I just used, so don't worry, it was just as much as I used for the argan oil. Making it wait. I'm just going in again. Hydrated and sealed. Anyways, as you just saw, what I did here is I'm going to do on each of these 3 sections, and I'm going to time lapse it just because, you know, you don't want to see me do that. Sections of my hair conditioned and combed, I'm going to just release the hair from the rubber bands and show you my hair all in one. Oh, okay, that's not right, especially for this video. But anyways, even me, like, I'm reacting to this as you guys are, and my hair, like, after I used to never be able to comb my hair after I washed it, like, without any pain. Like, this was like the shortest time I ever like detangled my hair, and as you saw, I needed to put Cantu leave-in conditioner just to like detangle my hair, and this is awesome. So definitely gonna keep on using these products because they are doing this thing. So now my hair kind of looks like a mohawk. Right, Jamaican? You cannot use this on the doll, sorry. It's for real people. Sorry, my sister's doing like her doll's makeup with actual makeup. But anyways, so you can see my hair. Not much of a, like, you know, whole stretch and pull. You know, there's not that much shrinkage and my hair is not that long. But, you know, my hair is getting there. You know, there's not that much elastic pull to my hair, but it's getting there. So I'm just, you know, fluffing it out, making it more into like an afro, even though my hair is very, you know, different in terms of length, and I'm just talking nonsense. But anyways, that's my hair, all conditioned and combed out, and now I'm gonna cornrow it. Usually, I carry my low maintenance protective hairstyles for a week, then I wash it, or this time I actually carried it for 2 weeks, but then I, you know, washed my hair with the protective style in it and then just seal it in with my oil. And also, I'm not good at cornrolling my hair. Trust me, it's not gonna look all clean or anything. But I'm just doing it to, you know, go to bed with. So yeah, let me got my hair cornrowed. Obviously it's very messy. I didn't really put that much effort into cornrowing it, and my hands are just getting really tired. So they're really big and just, yeah. But anyways, this is how much hair I lost. It's honestly not that much compared to when I first started my hair care journey. And this is just all the hair in general, and I will show you photos. My hair does have split ends still. That's my goal, is to get rid of split ends first, then to just grow my hair. So I'm gonna trim my hair every month, but when I do see a split end, trust me, I just have to cut at it. Like, I just can't just leave it there. I just use scissors and cut at it, and I know that using paper scissors are not good. So I'm gonna invest in some shears and some, better hair care. Hair care supplies. So I see less breakage, and my hair can grow and be nice and thick, strong, and healthy. So yeah. Back, and it's Sunday, and you can see, I don't know why, but as you can see, let me get into the point. You can see that I have my hair brushed out. I actually had to do it to a prom photo shoot for a competition that I'm entering, so I had to have my hair up, and I just use a little bit of gel. But I don't like having my hair out. I like to have my hair done, and I don't know why, but I'm feeling my scalp, and it's super dry and tender, and it just feels so how it just feels flaky and dry, and it hurts. But anyways, I just can't have my hair up. I have to have it braided. So what I'm gonna do until Wednesday, when I get my hair just straightened, I'm just gonna braid my hair, single braid it, like so. This is not something I taught myself. I learned this from a classmate at my school who has a private story for natural hair. And what he does is gets yarn like this. Sorry, I should have just loosened this prior. Anyways, she gets yarn or string. I'm gonna use yarn just because, her hair is much longer than mine, so I like to see the yarn, and I like when the yarn is much more thick. And, oh my god, I'm so unprepared. I'm just gonna snap it. I'm gonna just snap the yarn, like so, just this long. And what you do, you take a knot, like so. I'm gonna make 2 knots just because I want it to be extra, So I'm making a double knot like this, then taking this area with the knot and just putting it through my hair. And I don't recommend using a needle, but just because this is a thick needle, like a crochet needle, I'm just gonna, like so. And then boom, when I pull it, the hair won't really, it'll be like this, okay? And then using my hand, I'm gonna my dominant hand, I'm gonna wrap the hair. what I'm gonna do now is just like take the end and just tie it a bit more. And then just take the end and then just wrap it in again. Here is the hair. What I just did was, I didn't tie or anything. I just kept on wrapping it until I knew it was secure to hold like so. And yeah, so I'll show you guys the rest. And I'm just gonna show you my hairstyle I have right now, which I showed you in the more recent clip. It's just, I braided my hair like I showed you. Well, I did it to this part of my hair, but I took it up because it was actually way too tight. And one thing I'm noticing is that my scalp, it's like very flaky. It feels really weird. It's so painful, and it just feels like itchy. And it's just, I put argan oil and castor oil on this area of the scalp. And that's pretty much it. So I'll update you guys next month for month 2 of my natural hair care journey.